Today we got a Mini. It uses N12 engine and has some errors to fix. Let's open the cover first. We found that the capacitor in the back was leaking. Let's remove it. Then we prepared a new capacitor. Let's clean the board first. This is the capacitor, which was leaking, and it was leaking here. Now let's solder the new capacitor. After we soldered the new capacitor, we need to work on this CPU. As ECU has internal faults, CPU must have some problems on soldering pins. First we add some soldering paste. Then add tin to it. Resolder each pin. Done. Let's clean up again. After cleaning, we can try it on car. Now let's reassemble it. We try to read the DTCs. Let's turn on the ignition. Okay, there are no DTCs. Let's start the car. There are no errors now.